Hey, Ryan here with RKT Reviews. We recently replaced our shower head with this Veckin 12-inch rain shower, and I'm just going to show it to you real quick. The Rainfall shower head is large and has great pressure, feels great, and it's as easy as twisting a knob to switch to the high pressure handheld spray. You could also have different modes here with that, as you can see here. And then if you want to, you can adjust it a little bit so you can use both at the same time. The shower head was easy to install, and even though this is a guest bathroom shower, I find myself using it all the time myself just because I enjoy the water pressure and the large shower head. I think you will too.